The previous 3 cases were from the Bombay Presidency, and the 3 cases we now are going to see that are from the Madras Presidency. A dispute of oath case arose in Madras Presidency in 1736. 2 Hindu merchants were committed to jail by the mayor's court for refusing to take the pagoda oath, which they said was contrary to their religion and the rules of the caste. Means the people were told to take the pagoda oath, but they said this is not in our religion. This made the Hindu residents very furious, and they approached to the governor to interfere. The result was release of the Hindu on parole for the fear of a breach of peace. Then the petition was sent by the residents of the Madras, the directors of the company, to exempt them from the jurisdiction of the mayor's court in religious matters. Then the mayor's court were directed to not to participate in the religious cases. The court can interfere in such cases only if the people or both the parties want them only. The second case is imposing fines on aldermen. There was a general reluctance amongst the Englishmen to accept the office of aldermen, and it was becoming difficult to get an adequate number of aldermen. The mayor's court started the practice of imposing fines on those who refused to act as aldermen. The government considered that the court had no authority to inflict pains. The court replied that the council could not direct it in the discharge of its duties. Means here the people who were not willingly to become the aldermen, that time the mayor's court started the practice of imposing fines on them. Then the governor in council said that they cannot do such things. So here again the conflict we can see which was arose between the mayor's court and the governor in council. The third case is about the mayor and secretary betting case. Terrian, it is the name of the secretary. Terrian, secretary to the Madras government, and Mayor Nesh is the name of the mayor, meet at the dinner party and entered into a bet where the Nesh means mayor lost and refused to pay. Terrian, secretary, sued him in the mayor's court, which ruled that the mayor was immune from prosecution. The government later complained that its secretary has been treated with indignity by the mayor's court. Means here, when the Nesh was not able to pay the betting money, that time Terrian sued him, but the mayor Nesh was released. That time the government later complained that its secretary means Terrian was not being treated with dignity. This is the third case. Fourth is the re-electing as a mayor case. In 1734, a conflict arose over the mayor re-election. Nesh was re-elected as a mayor, but the governor refused to allow him to take the oath of office on the ground that an outgoing mayor could not be re-elected under the Charter 1726. Means here the government opposed the elected Nesh mayor, saying that under the Charter 1726 the mayor could not be re-elected. Ultimately another mayor was to be elected. This is the fourth case, re-electing as a mayor case. Fifth is the conflict about accounts of court fee. The corporation, being short of funds, applied to the court to divert the fines to the maintenance of the public works. The mayor court challenged the executive governor in council and warned the governor and council to address such letters to register of the court and not to the court. So here when the corporation was being short of funds, then it applied to the court to divert the fines to the maintenance of the public works. That time the mayor court challenged to the executive governor in council and warned the governor and the council to address such letters means of funds to the register of the court and not to the court. So these were the 5 cases. Oath case of Madras, imposing fines on aldermen. Third is the mayor and secretary betting case. Fourth is the re-electing as a mayor case. Fifth is the conflict about the accounts of court fee. So these are the 5 cases from the Madras Presidency where we see that the conflict was aroused between the mayor's court and the governor in council. Next is the Calcutta Presidency. There is not much information is available about how the mayor's court was functioning in the Calcutta Presidency. Things were not better and similar conflicts between the mayor's court, Zamindar's court, governor in council were going on.